Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display back cover. Removal. Carefully disconnect the slate battery cable from the connector on the slate system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board zip connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the slate system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the zip connector and ribbon cable. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the slate battery. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the power button board from the adhesive that secures it to the slate bezel and remove. Place the power button board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the power button board from the static dissipative bag. Place the power button board into position on the display bezel. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board zip connector on the slate system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the zip connector and ribbon cable. Press along the length of the power button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the slate battery. Carefully connect the slate battery cable into the connector on the slate system board.